Understanding the domino effect in English. Hello everyone, and welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into an intriguing English phrase that you might have heard before, the domino effect. This expression has a fascinating origin and is used widely in both everyday conversations and professional contexts. Let's explore what it means, how it originated, and see some examples in action. Stay tuned to master this phrase and use it confidently in your English conversations. The domino effect refers to a situation where a change or an event causes a similar change or event to happen next, and that triggers another, and another, much like a row of dominoes falling over after the first piece is knocked down. It's a chain reaction where one action leads to a series of other actions, usually escalating in scale or significance. This concept can be applied to various fields, including physics, economics, social studies, and more, illustrating how interconnected actions can lead to widespread consequences. The term domino effect originates from the game of dominoes, where tiles are lined up in a row, and when one is tipped over, it causes the next domino to fall, and so on, creating a chain reaction. The concept became popular in the 20th century, especially during the Cold War era, where it was used to describe how the change in one nation's political system could influence another's, leading to a chain reaction of changes across countries. Today, the phrase transcends its political origins and is used in various contexts to describe any sequence of linked events triggered by a single initial action. To better understand the domino effect, let's look at some examples. In social situations, a simple act of kindness, like paying for the coffee of the person behind you in line, can inspire that person to do the same for someone else, creating a chain reaction of generosity. In business, a significant drop in the stock price of one company can trigger a loss of confidence among investors in similar companies, leading to a market-wide downturn. In personal life, deciding to wake up early to exercise can lead to more energy throughout the day, better health, and ultimately, a more productive and fulfilling life. These examples show how one action or event can set off a chain of related events, illustrating the power and reach of the domino effect. The domino effect is a powerful concept that reminds us how our actions, big or small, can have far-reaching consequences. Whether it's a change in personal habits, a kind gesture, or a significant political event, the impact of our actions can extend well beyond the immediate context. We hope this video has shed light on the meaning and importance of the domino effect in the English language and beyond. Remember, every action counts, and you never know how far the effects can reach. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to seeing you in our next video.